Alright guys, welcome to the Magic Kingdom. We are here today to have some fun. Whoops! We're going to try to hit a couple rides and grab a bite to eat. It's kind of late in the day, but we wanted to come over here. One of our favorite spots to eat here is Pecos Bill's place across from Pirates of the Caribbean. So we're going to head over there and grab some nachos and then see what rides we can get on. Probably won't stay for the fireworks just because it's hard with the service dog to be around that kind of noise, but at least just enjoy hitting a couple rides and grabbing a few snacks. So come along. Alright, so we told you guys about one of our favorite, like how we're going to head to Pecos Bill's to grab the nachos. Another really great place that we enjoy grabbing a snack is at Casey's Corner. Now, their little mini corn dog nugget bites are really, really good, and we've always really enjoyed them. Now, a little trick that you can do for not only Casey's Corner, but for across the way where you get the ice cream sundaes and stuff, is you can actually mobile order those for an hour past when the park closes. So rather than, that's loud, rather than fighting the crowds when the park closes, you can go grab a snack, grab a dessert, and eat, especially if you're heading back to your hotel, maybe your hotel doesn't have food, and kind of just relax while you wait for the crowd to head out. Because trust me, the stores stay open, but they are usually really packed. So it's nice to be able to just head to one of those and have your mobile order all ready, grab it, sit down, and just watch the crowd fight their way out while you relax and enjoy a bite to eat. So we're going to keep going, and we're going to head to Frontierland to get our dinner. Well, let's show you guys a shot of that beautiful castle. It's pretty crowded right now. We're still in that crazy post. No, that's okay. That spring break crowd that just has not left. So it's really crowded, but there was no actual reservations today, but then it finally opened up. Alright guys, so here is this is the chicken nachos, this is the carnitas. You get your lettuce and tomato on the sides and salsa. We grabbed a couple extra bowls so we can split them. It is a madhouse today inside there. There was no seating, and I will say that for ordering, and it's been this way both times that we've come in here, the mobile is way faster, definitely way faster, and the line, there's always this old guy there that tells you like where to go in line, and it's a complete chaos, and he never...
You wait off to the side. He's like, oh, you wait here until the line's big enough that you can fit in. And then a smaller, like a big enough like area,
space for you,
space. Yeah. So you want people to leave, but then if there's enough room for like a party of two that comes ahead of you, you let them go ahead of you. Like, I don't know how he's still working here with that way.
Yeah, it's kind of confusing, a little bit chaotic with him. So we have found that mobile ordering at this location in particular is super important because you will get your food a lot faster and you don't have to go with the crazy line. But it is still crazy spring break crowds, and there is no seating except for outside. Like inside it was completely crazy. But it's really nice out tonight, so it's not a big deal. But definitely the food here is really good, and the portions are good, and the prices aren't so bad. So this is where we're going to be having dinner tonight, and then we're going to head over to Pirates. Alright guys, so we just finished our food, and now we're heading over to Pirates. It's just a little quick walk. We're just going to walk on over here to Pirates and hop on. We have our DAS for that, and we might hit one more ride, and then we're going to head home for today. So it was just a quick day to come over and grab a couple snacks and hit a couple rides. It is Saturday and it is crazy crowded, although the wait times aren't bad, so they are running the rides pretty fast, but still crowded just to walk around, so that's not always the best. But we're gonna go on Pirates now.
Speak up! Offering a punch in a swing! You liver lover! Strike your feathers, dearie! Show off your flock!
Hey! Send him in to Davy Jones! It's the rum they want!
egg layer.
Not lest they be laying golden eggs.
Belay there, you bilge rat.
Oh, quit your clucking. The gentleman wants the rum. Don't you, boy?
So we did the Pirates, and we're gonna head up to People Mover because the wait was only 15 minutes for there. So we're gonna go hop on the People Mover and see that. A really great time to hop on the People Mover is actually doing fireworks because you get a really incredible and unique view. Obviously, you don't get to watch the whole thing, but it's a really fun, unique view to watch them from the People Mover. So if you guys ever want to time it out right, you guys can grab that People Mover and hop on through the fireworks. There's usually no line at that point, so you can really just walk right on. But it's a really fun thing to do, and like I said, a unique viewpoint for those fireworks.
Would you rather strap someone to it?
So Tomorrowland at night is definitely, I think, one of those places that you should see because when it's all lit up at night, it's really pretty. It's not quite dark yet, but it's still really cool to get over here and see it all lit up at night. I definitely recommend doing that. And again, if you're watching the fireworks, it looks really cool too. So it's perfect to come over here and do the People Mover and the fireworks. Space Mountain has a beautiful purple glow at night, and it's just a really nice place. Plus, you've got Joffrey's Coffee, so you grab yourself a coffee and enjoy your evening over here in Tomorrowland. We are heading home. We had a good day. Got to go on Pirates and People Mover, and now we're gonna go. Look at that castle back there. What a beautiful view. Had our nachos at Pico's Bill. Honestly, guys, like the quality went down. They used to be really good, but I wasn't that impressed this time.
Kind of like the Dollar Tree ones.
Yeah, the toppings, like there were very few toppings this time. Very little cheese. So it's kind of a disappointment, but it's still a good day at Disney, so we can't complain. And we're gonna grab that monorail and head back over and head on home. So thanks for coming along. We'll see you guys all again soon. Bye for now.